Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn degrees of comparison, and today we will learn the further portion of degree of comparison. In the last two videos I started degrees of comparison. Today we are going to learn the degree of comparison when the comparison is between more than two people, places or things. If you remember, in the last videos you learned that positive, comparative and superlative degree forms are there. When the comparison is between only two people, places or things, only positive and comparative degree sentences are possible. And when the comparison is between more than two people, places, things, all the three degrees, that is positive, comparative and superlative, are possible. So one of them, the first, we are going to learn today. When you learn this, give attention to some words. Here, this, the sentence which begins with no other or which has got so adjective as or as adjective as, then it is surely positive degree. Now from the first two words only you can say that this sentence shows comparison between more than two people or two places or two things. If the given one is positive, you will be asked to change it into comparative or superlative or sometimes both. So let's see how we can change. First into comparative. You can see that the part after no other and the part before the verb is subject and the part after as is object. In comparative, object will come in the beginning. America is comparative form of rich, richer. Then these two words are very important. So you can remember this part. Then any other. If the positive degree begins with no other, then your comparative degree must have than any other. These three words, very very important. America is richer than any other nation in the world. Nation in the world. The subject has become object here. Nation in the world. Nation in the world. So now you can see America, object here becomes subject. America is richer because the positive is rich, comparative is richer than any other. These three words are very important because they are the words which tell you that this is comparative degree, but comparative of the positive which begins with no other. So this is very important. America is richer than any other country in the world or any other nation in the world. You can see it. Now let's change it into superlative. One point I would like to tell here, comparative and superlative begin with the same word, that is object becomes subject. America, America is the, before the superlative form of adjective or adverb, use the in superlative degree sentence. America is the richest nation in the world. America is the richest nation in the world. So now you can see how easy it is to change positive degree into comparative and superlative. Now, after this, we will take example, but not beginning with positive degree, but beginning with comparative degree. The second example, you can see this is comparative. And again, I like you to note this down, than any other. So in comparative, then any other must come. The comparative of the positive which begins with no other, than any other. Nancy was more honest than any other girl in our colony. Now we can change it into superlative and positive. First, change it into superlative. Nancy was, I said is, but it is was. Nancy was more honest than any other girl in our colony. Nancy was the most honest girl, because to the adjective you can't use est. So this is used, the most honest girl in our colony. Nancy was the most honest girl in our colony. This is superlative. Now you know that if in comparative degree sentence then any other comes, your positive degree must begin with no other. No other. No other girl in our colony. Girl in our colony. This object part becomes subject. Now you have learnt here. After no other and before verb, the part is subject. So the object part here has become subject. No other girl in our colony was as honest as Nancy. In the place of so, you can use as, then adjective, and then as. So now you know that we can change the superlative degree into comparative, the positive degree into comparative superlative. Now we will take one more example, okay, but here it is superlative. If it is superlative, then you can change it into positive and comparative. Here we go. Mr. Robinson uses costliest clothes. This shows you that it is superlative degree. Now let's see how you can change it into comparative degree. Mr. Robinson uses costlier clothes than any other person does. Just remember this and this. We need to use a verb form here, because the comparison is not only is not between persons or their qualities, but between the action they do. That's why here this action word is used, and at the same time this action word is used which is related to uses. Mr. Robinson uses costliest clothes becomes Mr. Robinson uses costlier, comparative degree, clothes than any other person does. This is comparative. Now let's see how you can change it into positive. No other, you know that positive begins with no other. No other person uses as costly clothes, costly positive degree, clothes as Mr. Robinson does. Again, you know the reason. The comparison is between the actions, not between the people. That's why this action word here is used, and related is does. So now you know that we have taken examples beginning with positive, comparative, superlative, and here is one more example, okay? This begins with no other. That means it is positive. But the verbal, the adverbial part is kept in the beginning. In the first semester is all adverbial part. Okay. Wherever it can come in the beginning or it can come at the end. But our sentence, the degree sentence has the beginning from no other. So you can see no other student in our class. Okay, so student in our class is the subject part here. Subject has obtained as much percentage as Tanishka. Sorry. You can see here Tanishka is object. So when you want to change it into comparative, or if you want to change it into superlative, whatever. Now let's see how you can change it into comparative. In the first semester, the adverbial is kept as it is. Object becomes subject. Tanishka has obtained. Now you know that much shows positive and the comparative of it is more percentage than any other must come. Give attention to this part. It is the must part, or it is the essential part which must come in comparative degree. Comparative of the positive which begins with no other. So in the first semester, Tanishka has obtained more percentage than any other student in our class. This is comparative. And let's change it into superlative. Adverbial is kept as it is in the first semester. Comparative and superlative always begin with the same. Remember this point. I am repeating it. Tanishka. Comparative and superlative begin with the same word, same subject. Tanishka has obtained the most, because most is the superlative form, and before superlative form the article the is used. The most percentage in our class. So now you know that this is one of the types. Now if you want me to give you the exact number, we are going to learn 4 types including this. Means this is one of the types, one of the 4 types. After this we are going to learn 3 more types, and these 4 types show comparison between more than 2 people, 2 places, 2 things. So the first is over, or the first we have completed in today's video, in this video. Okay, we will learn the second type in this series in the next video. Until then, goodbye, thank you, take care.